Hello, today we're going to work on Wildlife 3rd grade worksheet, lesson 13. So first of all, we're going to do find each quotient. So 12 divided by 4 equals blank. So let's see. So we're dividing 12 by 4 right now. So let's do it. And we're going to find number that makes 12 when you multiply with 4, which is 3. So 3, and we put 12 here and subtract it and get 0. And the remainder is 0 now. So the answer is 3. And you can always check the answer by doing multiply again. So you can do like this divisor, as you might already know. And this is quotient. So you can always do divisor times quotient to check your answer. If you get the same answer as the first number, then you're good. For number 2, we have 15 divided by 3. So let's do it. 15 divisor is 3. So 3 times number equals 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 and we subtract 0. So the answer is 5. Number 3, 18 divided by 2. So 18 divided by 2. And 2 times 9 is 18. So 9, 18 minus, then is 0. So we get 9. And we can always check the answer by multiplying these two numbers. Number 5, I have 24 divided by 4. So 24 divided by 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So we subtract the numbers and we get 0. So the quotient is 6. Number 6, we have 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. And 5 times 6 is 30. So subtract it, 0, and we get 6 for the quotient. For second, we will compare and write the sign for each blank. So 9 divided by, 0 divided by 9, sorry. It's so 0. So in order to make the number 0, we have to multiply with 0. So we get 0 here. This is 0. And 4 divided by 4 is this 1. So 4 divided by 4 is greater. 24 divided by 6 is times 4. 24 and subtract it, 0. And 80 divided by 10 is 10 times 8 is 80. So subtract it. And so quotient is 8 here and quotient is 4 here. So 80 divided by 10 is greater. Number 4, we have 48 divided by 4, which is 4 times 12 equals 48. So, and 60 divided by 6 is 6 times 10 is 60. So we subtract the number down. So quotient is 10 here and quotient is 12 here. So 48 divided by 4 is greater. Number 5, we have 5 divided by 1. And second one, we have 5. We have 1 divided by 5, sorry. So 1 divided by, so 5 divided by 1 is just 1 times 5. 0. So this is a quotient. And 1 divided by 5, it makes it decimal. So if I try to do it, then 5 times, we need something less than 5. But we only have from 5 times 1, so we have to do 0 here. 0, we set 1 here, and we put decimal point, so we add 0 here, so it makes it 10. And now we can do 5 times 2, which makes it the remainder 0, so 0.2. So 5 divided by 1 is greater. Right, plus minus times or division to complete the equation. So 13 blank 7 equals 2 times 3, which is 6. So 13 minus 7 makes it 6. So this is subtraction. And 12 plus 5 equals 9 blank 8. So 12 plus 5 is 17. And we need 9 plus 8 to make it 17. 4, 9 equals 18 blank 9. So we can just move the equation to do this. So we can do like see, so 9 equals 18 blank 9. So when you move it here, so subtract 18 from both sides to check the answer, it makes it negative 9 equals 9. But that quite doesn't make sense in this case, so we can just see which matches. So if you multiply, it makes it too big. If you divide it, it makes the numbers too small. So we need subtraction. Number 6, we have 72 blank 8 equals 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and we need division for sure in this one, because if you do division, 8 times 9 is 72. So when you subtract it, the quotient is 9. Word problems. Anna has 12 bananas. She wants to divide them equally into 4 baskets. How many bananas will each basket have? So 12 divided equally into 4 baskets, so we're going to divide it. 4 times 3 is 12. So remainder is 0 now, so we have 3 for quotient, so 3 bananas for each one. The book club has 50 members, and every member reads the same book. If there is 3 copies of the book, how many members read the single copy? So 15 divided by 3, because we have 50 members and we only have 3 copies. So 3 times 5 is 15. So the quotient is 5. So which means that 5 members. Number 4, there are 20 pieces of candy to share. If we try to divide them into 0 groups, what happens? So 20 pieces of candy to share, divide them into 0 groups, that means you can't do anything, so it's a 0. And the remainder is 20. 20. So we cannot divide it into groups. And that's it. Thank you.